In this video I will show you how to solve problem of black screen in Camtasia. So first of all, I import a media file into my timeline and now play button, but nothing was showed in display window. You can see empty black screen, nothing was shown. So I would like to solve this problem. First of all, click on edit file and preferences, click on advanced and then change hardware acceleration, change to anyone else. I would like to choose Intel graphic card. Now I select this option and press OK. Play. OK. Close the Camtasia and reopen it. Reopen the Camtasia player. Camtasia is open. It's opening. Wait. Click new project. Now again import media file. I open again that file. Now put it to timeline and now you can see it will display all done. It's okay. Problem solved. Thanks. Now please subscribe my channel for such like videos.